Hello, good evening, everyone. So I'm Anuj Awasthi from Meritronics Labs Private Limited, and I think since morning we have really covered very nice topics related to industry academia collaboration. And why I think I stand here is mainly because my journey with IIT Kanpur. So we have been having a very nice journey with IIT Kanpur, starting from innovating and designing an instrument inside a lab in IIT Kanpur, and incubating a startup and making it a commercial success, and then thinking about how to go ahead into this and collaborating with Technopark to make it even bigger. So we started it around 2016, and we formed a startup KTS in IIT Kanpur, and we incubated ourselves in SIIC, and we developed that technology, got very good support in incubation system SIIC, and we commercialized that technology, sold, and got a very renowned name in that particular field, that is called electrochemical instrumentation, electrochemical workstation also we used to say it. We sold a lot of instruments there, and the one answer along with the introduction to our company, so one answer which I wanted to give in this talk is, what is the right time when a startup should come out of an incubation center and think to link themselves with a bigger world or the real challenging world, and what are the places they can go. So when we, in our first startup, we thought of what next. We were profitable, we were selling a lot of instrumentation and the products around. So we thought, what next? Then we thought of going to different cities in India, and making us a global company. We came in contact with the Technopark, and we got to know the need. So there were two needs. Number one, with our startup, we wanted to understand how to reach to other global connects, and second was that how to be connected with the IIT Kanpur kind of system, because our product was so niche that we wanted to do research and development continuously to come up with the more innovative products. So there were two needs, and we got to know that Technopark will be able to help us into this. So this was the overall journey. We came in contact with the Technopark in 2019, and we established our first office with Technopark. Got a lot of support from them, and that's how we started developing more and more products in collaboration with IIT Kanpur, as well as then with our second startup, Meritronics Lab, which is here. We founded it in 2021. So we directly founded our first office with Technopark directly, and then we opened our second office in Bangalore. That's how we initiated Meritronics Labs. So let me introduce something about Meritronics Labs. In Meritronics Labs, we envision making a lot of AI-enabled and smart electrochemical sensing devices, which are having their applications in multiple sensing, biosensing, and different quality analysis domain. So we are expert in making different kind of electrochemical instrumentation and sensing devices. Uh, Making it short, yeah, this is our team, and uh, our mentors are Professor Shiva Kumar and Professor Rajgan Spala from Department of Chemical Engineering, and we have been getting their help in technology validation, product testing, and different kind of other science related add-ons into the company. So we have, in our company we have two different divisions: MTX Labs division and MTX Health division. So MTX Labs division is where we develop these sensing devices who are targeted towards researchers. So we are trying to help researchers. Uh, we are making some platform where researchers can make new kinds of sensors, develop new kinds of sensors, and uh, test their reliability as well as their commercializability. And then second part of the company is MTX Health, where we are making some AI powered portable sensing devices. They are like self trainable devices with different methods and techniques. Different kinds of sensors can be attached to it, and the sensing can be achieved. So we recently launched this handheld potential stat. which the target applications are multiple. It's again that multiple scientists are trying to use this product, and this is fully designed and developed in collaboration with IIT Kanpur. And this is again the sensing platform which I was talking about. So in this instrument, one can attach different kind of sensors. These are called the bare sensors, and multiple new kind of materials can be loaded into this, and uh, the new kind of sensors can be developed altogether on top of this. So how we could achieve this, because we continuously collaborated with IIT Kanpur and its laboratories. We were uh, testing these devices continuously here, and its results were validated very well, very successfully. So that's how we got help from here. Our research and development office is in Technopark IIT Kanpur, and we do our corporate activities and production activities in MTX Labs Bangalore chapter. Recently, we started going global, and we made some good global clients as well. Although in India, we have been selling these products thoroughly in different IITs and ITs. So here comes the answer which I wanted to give. There are different phases of a startup, and so for example, ideation and market validation is the first when any startup has to start working on, and then ultimately a startup has to cross this region and come towards the profitability and scalability. And once a particular startup is profitable and they have to start scaling around, then there is the question comes how they can do the expansion. And once once a particular startup has launched a product into the market, they have to think about the new innovations into their product, because we never know that when the competition will come and make you uh, back towards the race. So you have to be doing continuous innovation, and there we feel, being in Technopark, this particular purpose is being solved. We are not only doing our business in the global market or environment, we are also doing our innovation in our products. We are doing add-on to our innovations to our products, and we are coming up with more and more versions of the product. So there we feel, so whenever any particular startup feels that it has gone profitable, number one, and number, it has reached to a scalability with proper recurring models into the company and standardization into the company. This is the part where they have to think about how they can collaborate with a Technopark kind of ecosystem, and they can come up with more and more innovation into the product. So, how ITK helped us to make a successful product around it? Initially, whenever we thought of launching a new product, a version of the product, even since we were continuously collaborating with the professors as well as a few laboratories, it helped us in conceptualization and fundamental testing, and as well as to initiating some R&D projects into this. And then the second phase, testing and comprehensive report validation again. So here comes a little bit trick also. Since in our product market, our main clients are scientists itself. So as well as our product is very deep tech products. So for deep tech products, I think Technopark kind of place is a very, very important place where uh, they have to keep on testing their products altogether in the initial journeys. So testing and comprehensive report validation and resource. And the third part where it becomes important, as a startup, it became very important for us also. When we say that we have been doing our research and development and testing validation inside IIT Kanpur, there's a place called Technopark. So automatically the network and authentic branding is being given to that particular product. Yeah. So this was the overall correlation between Technopark and a startup, which I tried to give. If anybody is having any query, please ask. Yes. Yes. Mhm. All right. Yes. Yes. So here comes that uh, there we have already kind of graduated startup. Okay, we are having our office in Bangalore, which is fully involved in all commercial activities. We are selling, we are making profits around it, and we are thinking that these are the improvements required in the product. Number one, or this is the next version of the product which we want in next 1 year. So there, either for the improvement, we sign a project with IIT Kanpur, or we give them the problem statement to who is the faculty we collaborate with, or we try to come up with the next model of the instrument. So we make it as a project itself. So, but definitely it is timeline bound. So we signed, for example, 1 year of project into this, and we try to come up with some particular outcomes around it. So if it's success in 1 year, we launch it as a product. So since we are like our Bangalore office, for example, is a corporate office, we know when we can sell that product. So initial validation and testing is done in IT Kanpur, and then the final validation and testing is done in our Bangalore office. Once we find that okay, this is the time, both the cases it has gone like proper reports, we are set to go for the launch.